Discover the perfect riverside retreat. Why Homewood Suites by Hilton on San Sebastian River is your ultimate St. Augustine getaway. From its breathtaking location along the San Sebastian River to its spacious suites, a host of amenities like complimentary hot breakfast daily and great value for the price, Homewood Suites by Hilton is the place to be. Built in 2021, Homewood Suites offers 117 spacious suites. It's a half-a-mile walk to historic downtown and Flagler College. One thing to note is their valet parking. You can have them park your car or you can park yourself. Either way, the fee is $25 per night, which is standard nowadays. Here's the ground floor of Homewood Suites with comfortable seating areas. Take the elevator or walk upstairs to the second floor where you'll find the check-in desk. To the left is the little hotel store with snacks, drinks, and other essentials, as well as another seating space before reaching the main elevators. There's a nice two-sided fireplace with the main dining hall on the other side offering high and low tables for everyone. A television is mounted above the fireplace and there's a small business center as well. Now let's check out their patio. Homewood Suites has a couple of barbecue grills available for guests to use. And again, plenty of seating available. Overlooking the terrace is the grand view of the pool area. And here's the view from the marina looking into the center of the hotel. It's very peaceful in the morning and you can enjoy a nice sunrise having breakfast out on the patio. You have views of the pool, boats docked on the marina, and the San Sebastian winery just across the river. Absolutely perfect views. Back in the main area, there's more seating and another TV on the side wall. Here's their coffee station and their coffee is pretty good. If you happen to stay here on a Wednesday, they have a manager's reception from 6 to 7:30, featuring veggies and dip, cookies. There's also a salad bar, garlic knots, lemonade, water and tea. There's also mixed nuts, cheese plate, fruits, crackers, and cold meats. There's also complimentary wine and beer. So here's what I tried from their reception: a nice salad, a small cheese plate, and a glass of white wine from the San Sebastian winery just across the river. Stick to the end to find out what they offer for breakfast. Let's check out more of their amenities. They have a 24-hour laundry facility. Their gym is open from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. on the other side of the terrace. If you're enjoying this video of the hotel tour or finding value so far, please click the like button. One unique feature of this hotel is the hidden harbor marina, so you can dock your boat here, take advantage of what the hotel has to offer, and be close to historic downtown St. Augustine. One thing to consider is the ongoing construction, which will soon be finished. Not sure what this building is going to be, but you'll need to factor that if views from your hotel room matter to you. From our experience, we did not hear any construction noise. I think it's because we carefully chose to stay on the other side of the hotel. Now let's check out breakfast, served between 6 and 9:30 a.m. Monday to Friday. They have apple, juice, water, and orange juice to drink, and of course their coffee. There's a variety of bread, different types of cereal and fruit. For hot items, they have hash browns, sausage and bacon, scrambled eggs, and oatmeal. There's also yogurt and milk available. Here's the hallway on the 5th floor. If you want to check out what room 502 looks like at the end of the hall and see a full room tour, check out that video next. Let me know in the comments if you've stayed here or what's your favorite place to stay in St. Augustine, Florida. Subscribe for more of the Florida lifestyle. Until next time, my name is Grace Joy. See you in the next video.